front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on Vibrate at the top in the middle to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Ring on the left and use this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to disable or enable haptic feedback for incoming calls. Now scroll down, hit Haptics, and use the switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable them for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!